remarkable powers and abilities. From the birth of the universe, there has always been a war between light and darkness.
It has begun.
Morning, Jamaica. Welcome to Jazz 105, the place and station to stay alive. Well, this is the hottest day of the year. On this day, the sun actually glows red for a period of half an hour. You know, in the 16th century, it actually opened a portal for some dude called Okandaliza, or Okandaliza, but I don't know how to pronounce that name. But never mind, the Groove Master is here to take you back
Lord
in time
Brenton,
with some
all when you eat, you smoke.
Show some love.
As of today, we're done with smoking, baby.
Not with that dragon breath. Plus, me no like the scent of tobacco.
I'm late for work. Great! Boss said the first man gets in this morning. I go work with him in the tunnel that we're digging for the new energy plant. And I don't want to be the one that have to go down there. So me are going late today. Boss, you lucky.
First man to get on the job. Killian Dove can't make it today. So me and you are going to knife it.
Times like these, I wish I was still doing accounting.
What, afraid of dark?
No, just what's in it.
Nothing to worry about. Just keep your mind on the job and your eyes where the light shine. Alright, look at more hydro, Brenton. More. Alright, look at more. Brenton, give me more hydro. I want to see another world there, you know.
The fabric of the dome is weakening. I will take out my wrath upon this world. No more light.
I don't think that's a good idea, you know, bossy.
Just go and check the generator, man. And make sure I'm getting enough juice in. There's dopey stores.
Something passed me. What that me just say?
Because I don't know how I get up on a top of this dopey stores. That's something in the bedtime story. Wait, Brent, are you that? We know, sir, you know. You can stay there hide like you're a fool. You think you can frighten me?
No! Bossy, lucky.
As early as the dawn of man, Elohim has always been seeking a chosen set to defend the light from darkness. Controller of lightning, and possesses the 5 billion bolt sword of Elohim. My teacher and mentor, the Guardian, soldier from the 16th century. Elohim's most treasured warrior.
Rastaman, don't move. Why me must move?
Because I have a knife.
A knife you got that, so what? That's why me have to hit them with lightning and thunder.
This beauty is Humming Girl. Not only does she have impeccable speed, but she have a scream that can rip apart a semi-truck. close friend and confidant. Nothing passes this keen-eyed detective. Detective Sarge Hunter, top cop of the Central City Police Station. Would say him a the gallus in the bunch. His gift? He has the gift of sight. The big bad chaos. Nothing stands in his way as he harnesses energy directly from the ground with his feet. Charming fellow. Just don't get on his bad side.
I was gonna take it back.
This team of Chosens are led by one man, and that's me. I am Jamaican. So if you're thinking about a life of crime, don't.
Though I can easily morph into Jamaican, the Guardian thinks I'm still not ready and still have a lot more training to do. This coming from a man who thinks he came from the 16th century. Well, I think I'm ready. Though Jamaican is my alias, it's also my status. My real name is Zema Cross. Now watch me as I prepare once more to save the world. Uh-oh. Guardian? Okay, now that you've met all of the relevant characters, let's go back to the story and see how I became Jamaica's first superhero.
Brenton, you reach home early. How way you burn up? No, inside you're worse than when Riverton catch a fire. Lord, Brenton, you're stressing me out. What is wrong with you? What is all this? Because this morning we agreed that you will stop the smoking. Second-hand smoke is one of the main contributions for lung cancer.
No!
Right now, I want some fresh air. And what kind of influence you under?
19-year-old Shanoia Barnes of Westchester and Sun City is now the 7th woman to have gone missing over the last 2 months. Prime Minister Asafa Powell pleads to the public to be vigilant. It is indeed a sad time when a nation's women and children are being targeted.
We can't beat the traffic in a road, boys. Traffic just want to walk the road.
Yeah, this is a warning, you got your people be like ballin', no wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining, no leaving straight through till morning, warning, you got your people be like ballin', no wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining, no leaving straight through till morning.
A government not governing, and me no know what them doing. But me notice often a brand new vehicle muggling. Justice is not for us, them a treat we unjust, anxious. They put the use them in a handcuff. Murder crime is on the rise, Jamaicans open on the eyes. Get rid of who now perform, show them that we wise. Enough of them belly big like an oversized pig. While we a bugger down in our pocket, them a dig. Diggity. In our pocket, them a dig.
This is a warning, you got your people be like ballin', I wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining, no leaving straight through till morning. evening. Warning, you got your people be like ballin', I wonder if that is your calling, you have your people be complaining all evening, straight through till morning.
Yes, the big man. You use your talent to climb out of poverty. You are really a motivation to a lot of people in this community. Respect to you, Bolt. Pop your collar. There are good in all of us. We just have to start believing in ourselves. All the best to you, Bolt, in your future endeavors. Aye! Mosquito bite me and fly away. I hope you not give me chicken gun here. Let me go and work it out.
Don't you dare touch me! Stand back! No!
But what them boy they up to?
Lock your mouth before they knock you out.
Sorry, may I squeeze your hand too tight?
Yo. Hold up, brother.
No. What is? Two of you upon one woman? Big man, tell me say a woman strength you have.
Yo, this is not your concern, my youth. Leave.
Make sure the woman appreciate my company right now over yours.
Yes, I do. Yes. No.
Run, girl. Cause them boy I want to hold a seat beside Zebra. Yeah.
That wasn't so right, my youth. Steeljaw's face is lined with structural results from an accident years ago. It wouldn't surprise me if them finger is broke.
Blackheart is right. The man face nearly broke my hand. I have to definitely wait a while before I can use the hand here again.
Yo, Steeljaw, don't need
Oh, wait, boy, take it.
Yo, Steeljaw, don't demand the man.
Hey, boy, watch it. Oh, weird boy. Hey!
That man don't stand a chance. Them two baby giants, they're gonna rub him out.
His chances are equitable. As long as he believes in himself, he can overcome anything. My powers are dormant within him, but soon he will learn how to use them.
We have to help him.
Lead them. What he is doing now stands as an example for all.
But Solaris, a Blackheart and Steeljaw that him a dance with him, I no stand a chance against them.
The fate of many depends on the outcome of this matchup. Though I have the power to intervene, I dare not. One swing of my hand can pull the world off its rotational course around the sun, which will wipe out billions of life. Humanity must learn to work out their differences alone, and stand for what they know is right.
Why, you tough? Don't worry, sooner or later those hands will begin to grab. You can't thump Steeljaw if you feel it.
You're a coward, man. All you love do a chat.
You think of chattings and knockings? Put man, I put you down.
If the fate of humanity depends on this matchup, then I have to get a comfortable seat.
You will. As the Guardian, I called you here for. You will get to know your new people.
Why you mad?
My hands are already giving out. It's hard to put up a defense against a 9-foot giant like this one.
For too long, humanity has been turning a blind eye towards those who are in need. Zama Cross has broken that tradition tonight.
How me do that?
My God! Steeljaw!
Because of people like you, our girls can't stay safe on the street.
How you gonna stop me? You can't even use the right hand.
But the left hand work just as well.
I need you to teach him to focus his chosen powers.
Why him? What happened to the track star? Him still holding record up to now. The man there the fastest me ever seen in a long while.
As you said earlier, Okan has broken into this dimension and his presence reeks with violence. We must be prepared for what is to come. I have other plans for that one, but right now the Jamaican society needs a symbol for peace. They have to first know how to save themselves before they can save the world.
Yo, warrior chief, tell me if you tell them this. Too black, get the slim and the gal them a look fat. Browning and the gal them a look black. Pretty girls and the one them a look flap. Make them come beside me. Only gal alone make me irate. Them alone give me fame. Inna this bright sun city, the cat them pretty. What a calamity when them see me. Only gal alone make my vibes when them act like a flame, them are my number one. It's like zip ready to play. A gal to my bass on the yo, me straight like a 6 o'clock. Funny that, in fact, gal I say me sweeter than a lollipop. No, warrior chief of most of them lack. Cause you know him a top class, Jackie over track. Now look it to the kitties in me, we no cat. We no reverse the thing, them cause we no go back. NASA, from the cookie says to the bars rock corner. Fresh icon, gal a call for. Gal alone make me irate. Them alone give me fame. Inna this bright sun city, the cat them pretty. What a calamity when them see me.
Do I have your full attention? Do you like my play? I hope it grows on you. You see, I don't get along well with others. I'm more territorial.
Are you responsible for the whole missing girls that are going out of the area?
What is it with you people and girls? Girls, girls, girls. Oops. I kinda let myself go sometimes. I'm not interested in your girls. Don't get me wrong. Me not interested in a man either, except this one. And you're gonna help me find him.
Your powers have been dormant for far too long. Free your mind. For only you can change the fate of your race. You, son of Croft, have been chosen.
Just a dream. Oh, I feel so hot.
This Justin police found and apprehended the notorious Blackheart leader of the Blackheart Man Gang and one of his thugs gift wrapped on George Lee Boulevard this morning. Detective Hunter was the first officer on scene and would like to extend his appreciation to the man responsible for their capture. His identity was released this morning to the press and media house alike. These men are extremely dangerous and must not be taken.
How many things I want on my right hand? This should have sold up 50 years.
Their luck was on the side of Zama Cross was the detective's exact word.
I just wish I could have been there for every single woman they have used. Hey, bleach out woman, come on, I
What? You mind let me do that piece of Australia? Oh, Talia! I thought I was the only one in the story as woman. I like your dress. It's cute. Did you hear? The police and the two men that was abducting women.
Oh, wow. That's great.
And guess who caught them? No Zema.
What? Excuse me? I gotta go.
So you don't want to hear about the reward? The government will give Zema 1.5 million for him braving me. Don't want to hear about that.
Taxi lady.
And what that? Something wrong with that mirror?
Excuse me, Cross. This phone is attempting a video call, sir. I will put her on screen.
Hey honey, this is the license plate of the taxi I'm in. I hope you're okay, and I will be there soon.
Okay, bye.
I am free.
Carson, I was just... The air has changed after 1,000 years.
9 o'clock in the morning and the sky still dark.
Yo, Squaddy. Now go look for that girl in the lane.
You mean the one we are on the cook shop?
Yeah, man.
You each pan her, one touch and you can't let go.
Just cool, man. Stay sharp. I soon come. Don't go sleep, you know.
You alright, you know.
I need you to lead my army. What?
Okan has begun recruiting his shadow warriors. Guardian, we must act now.